This is RonHoover RV&Marine in Rockport, Texas. Today we're looking at a Hurricane 2015 Sundeck 188. On this, we're running a Suzuki 4-stroke, 150 horsepower. Right here's your swim ladder. Take a look over here. We've got a compartment right here. We'll do a full circle of the outside of the boat, and then we'll take a look on the inside. Your colors are going to be black and white. Aluminum trailer hit. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside of the boat. First thing you're going to see when we step up in here is the very nice cockpit. You've got your throttle over there, steering wheel, and all your different controlling units. Right here you've got your RPM gauge and speedometer. Okay, here we are. We've got our radio system right here. Got two compartments right here. Take a look at this. This is a sink right here. That'll come in handy. These seats, these two side ones, the middle does not, but the two sides lift up for extra compartment space. I'll do that in just a minute. Right here we've got a compartment with our cover on it. We've got one compartment right there, another compartment, and both of these seats lift up for extra compartment space. Just like that. I'll show you all the compartment space from the one in the back. Again, this is the 2015 Hurricane. Take a look at that canopy top real fast. 2015 Hurricane, Rockport RV&Marine in Rockport, Texas.